Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to unlock home screen layout on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, unlocking the home screen layout gives you the ability to personalize your device even further. Not only that, unlocking the home screen layout also allows you to freely rearrange your applications, widgets, and folders. So let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Okay, so on this page, you can scroll down and select home screen option. Well, here will appear several settings, and to unlock home screen layout, you can turn off this option, lock home screen layout. Okay, so now your home screen layout is successfully unlocked. Well, that's the tutorial on how to unlock home screen layout on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.